video, I'll demonstrate how to shorten trousers with bands. First of all, mark the point measured, or in this case, notched. Remove the pins, if there are any, and measure the marked point up to the end of the trouser. Repeat the same process, making sure that everything is symmetrical. Then, unpick the hem carefully to not cut the fabric. Then measure the hem of the trousers. In this example, the hem is 5 cm, so I will mark 5 cm below my original marks for the new hem. Then draw a line across the lower marks and cut. Repeat with the other hem. Stitch the band carefully and symmetrically. Then finish the hem using invisible thread. Ironing the trousers is crucial to a good-looking result of the work.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.